Welcome to GCLD Technologies. Introduction to Java Programming. In this video, I am going to explain 6 topics. First one, what is Java? Next, history of Java. Third one, features of Java programming. Next, fourth one, JDK, JRE and JVM. Fifth one, editions of Java. Last one, applications of Java programming, or you can say purposes of Java programming. First I'm taking, what is Java? What is Java? See, Java is a general purpose programming language to be used for writing software in widest variety of application domains. Java is not specific purpose. For example, SQL, structured query language, is for database management. Suppose HTML, hypertext markup language, for web page design. XML, extensible markup language, for data transportation in web environment. Next, Java, general purpose programming language. It is not for specific purpose. Next, Java programming language. Java is a programming language and a platform. Java is used to create software applications or used to develop software applications, and it is also used as software platform to run Java applications. See, Java is used to develop software applications. Next, it is used to run Java software applications. It can provide runtime environment. For example, if you want to develop a software application, for example, desktop application or web application using Java technology, you can develop. Suppose if you want to run Java-based application, you need to provide Java runtime environment for running that application. For example, JMeter tool is there. JMeter performance test tool. That JMeter tool developed in Java technology. If you want to install and run JMeter tool in your computer, first you need to install Java. Java runtime is required to run JMeter. For example, this one, SOAP UI is there. SOAP UI developed in Java. Not only test tools, you take any softwares, commercial softwares. If you want to run those commercial software that developed in Java technology, you need to use Java installation, Java runtime environment. So, Java has two important purposes. One is used to develop software applications. Another is provides runtime environment for executing Java-based applications. Next, Java can be used to create complete applications. Say, Java is used to develop complete applications that may run on single computer or be distributed among servers and clients in a network. Java is used to develop standalone applications, means desktop applications, or you can say window-based applications. Next, web applications. Next, enterprise applications like banking applications, insurance applications, ERP applications, etc. And mobile applications. So once again, Java is used to develop standalone or desktop applications, web applications, enterprise applications, and mobile applications. Next, come to second topic in this chapter, history of Java programming. History of Java. Java programming language was developed by James Gosling with his team, Java team, also known as Green Team, in 1995. Now Java age is 25 years. 25 years completed. Java developed by James Gosling with his team in 1995 for Sun Microsystems. Later, Java was acquired by Oracle Corporation in 2010. Next, Java language was initially developed for digital devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, etc. Now it is used for various types of application development. Next, come to third point. Features of Java. Important features of Java. First one, simple. Java is very easy to learn and its syntax is simple, clean and easy to understand. Next, Java language is a simple programming language because it has removed many complicated and random used features and there is an automatic garbage collection. Second one, object oriented. In Java, everything is object except primitive data types. Okay. In Java, everything is an object which has some data and behavior. Java can be easily extended since it is based on the object model. Next, platform independent. Java code is compiled into intermediate format, bytecode, which can be executed on any system for which Java virtual machine is ported. That means you can write a Java program once and run it on Windows, Macintosh, Linux or Solaris without recompiling. Thus, the slogan of Java is write once and run anywhere. Next, architectural neutral. Java compiler generates an architectural neutral object file format which makes the compiled code executable on many processes with the presence of Java runtime system. Next, portable. One of the Java feature, portable. Java is portable because it facilitates you to carry the Java bytecode to any platform. It doesn't require any implementation. Next, high performance. Java is an interpreted language, so it will never be as fast as compiled languages like C or C++, but Java enables high performance with the use of JIT, just-in-time compiler. Next, multi-threaded. Java supports multi-threaded programming. It supports multiple operations running at the same time. We can think of a thread as an individual operation or part of the program using the processor. Next, distributed. Java is a distributed language. Programs can be designed to run on computer networks. Java has a special class library for communicating using TCP/IP protocols. Creating network connections is very much easy in Java as compared to C++. Next feature of Java, networked. It is mainly designed for web-based applications. J2EE, Java 2 Enterprise Edition is used for developing network-based applications. Next, interpreted. Java is highly interpreted programming language, which means that it does not require operating systems runtime to convert bytecode to machine code. Java has its own interpreter to convert the bytecode into processor-dependent machine language. Next, robust. Robust means reliable. Java programming language is developed in a way that puts a lot of emphasis on early checking for possible errors. That's why Java compiler is able to detect errors that are not easy to detect in other programming languages. Next, dynamic. Java is dynamic language. It supports dynamic loading of classes. It means classes are loaded on demand. It also supports functions from its native language, C and C++. Java supports dynamic compilation and automatic memory management. Next, last one, secured. With Java secure feature, it enables to develop virus-free, tamper-free systems. System means application in this scenario. Authentication techniques are based on public key encryption. Next, come to fourth point in this chapter, JDK, JRE, and JVM. JDK, Java Development Kit, is the core component of Java environment and provides all the tools, executables, and binaries required to compile, debug, and execute a Java program. We can say that JDK is the superset of JRE since it contains JRE with Java compiler, debugger, and core classes. JDK is a platform-specific software, and that is why we have to separate installer for Windows, Mac, and Unix systems. Means if you want to install JDK in your machine, first check your operating environment. Suppose yours is Windows 10 64-bit, then download Windows 10 64-bit compatible JDK. Suppose yours is Linux, then download Linux compatible JDK. Next, JRE, Java Runtime Environment. It provides platform to execute Java programs. JRE consists of JVM, Java binaries, and other classes to execute any program successfully. JRE doesn't contain any development tools such as Java compiler, debugger, JShell, etc. If you just want to execute a Java program, you can install only JRE. You don't need JDK because there is no development or compilation. Next, last one, Java Virtual Machine, JVM. JVM is the heart of Java programming language. When we execute a Java program, JVM is responsible for converting the bytecode to the mission specific code. JVM is platform dependent and provides core Java functions such as memory management, garbage collection, security, etc. Finally, JRE is part of JDM. JVM is part of JRE. Means if you install JDK, then you will have all components. JDK includes JRE, JRE includes JVM. Next, fifth topic, editions of Java. Editions of Java. Say we have four editions of Java. One is Java SE, Java Standard Edition. This is official term. Public term is Core Java, Java Standard Edition, or you can say Core Java. Next, Java Enterprise Edition, Java Enterprise Edition or Advanced Java. Next, Java ME, Micro Edition. It is for small devices like mobiles. Next, Java FX. It is for GUI development. Java SE or Core Java, Java E or Advanced Java. Next, last one, applications of Java programming, or you can say uses of Java programming, purposes of Java programming. See, Java is used to develop desktop graphical user interface applications like Acrobat, Radar, etc. Next, mobile applications. For example, Android mobile operating system. Android developed in Java technology. Next, enterprise applications. Enterprise applications like banking, insurance, ERP, e-commerce, etc. Next, scientific applications. Next, web applications, websites. Next, embedded systems or device-related applications. Embedded systems means inserting software components into devices, electronic devices or mechanical devices. For example, set-top box, television set-top box, embedded system. Lift, mechanical device, embedded system. Telephone kind box, embedded system, electronic device. Inserting software components into devices. For example, ATM, banking ATM, embedded system. Next, big data technologies, big data, huge amount of data. Next, distributed applications, cloud-based applications, web servers and application servers. Next, software tools. See, several software tools developed in Java technology. For example, Selenium developed in Java technology. JMeter developed in Java technology. SoapUI developed in Java technology. Next, game software. Next, smart cards like ATM card, debit cards, credit cards, etc. See, this is about introduction to Java programming.